Hi guys! So today I'm going to show you how to do eyelash extensions at home, like for a friend, and the friend can do it for you. And that was the before picture, and this is the after picture. And the whole process took about an hour and a half for my friend with short and not too many lashes. And I'll show you all the tools I used in the video. And I got them all from Amazon, and the total cost was, I'm going to put that down below, but I remember it being pretty cheap, maybe like $50 for a ton of lashes, which obviously is a lot cheaper than going to a store to do them, like a salon, because that's like $300 usually for the first time at a good salon, and like $100 if you get it for cheap. And refills usually cost about $75, which is still more than buying the whole thing yourself. I hope you enjoy the video and learn how to do them at home to save money and to also customize your own look. Like my friend here wanted a really natural look, and I think I achieved it pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and if maybe another day you want me to show you how to do a really full set. Thank you for watching! Here I'm showing you the lashes that I bought, and I'm sorry that I kept moving them around, and hopefully when I link them in the description box below you can see what they look like on Amazon and in a still picture. But also one tip that I have that I should have considered beforehand was I only bought the lashes in one length, which is medium, and you should probably get them in short as well because you want to like create that look where it really opens your eyes if you put the longer lashes in the middle and the shorter ones around the edges, which I tried to make with my friend, but it was more difficult because I didn't have any short individual lashes. And also keep in mind that the lashes that you use, they shouldn't be more than 2 times the length of your natural lashes. So like if your natural lashes are, for example, 3 millimeters, then you should not use anything longer than 6 or 7 millimeters. And yeah, so here I've taped my friend's bottom lashes down so that they don't stick onto the top lashes because we're using glue to glue each eyelash extension on, and we don't want to stick our friend's eyelashes together or their eyelids. And yeah, in the whole video you'll see me sticking on each individual lash. And one more tip I have is it's a lot easier if you sit with their head in your lap, so you don't have to turn the lashes around. I didn't because I really wanted to film it, and the way her couch was, we couldn't really do that with filming because I also didn't have a tripod, so we literally stuck the camera onto a pole and across the sofa. Yeah, so when you do it, you should probably put their head in your lap, and normally when I do it, I also do it that way, or else you're probably going to end up sitting on your friend as well. And last but not least, I'm going to be quiet now so that you can enjoy the video and hopefully see how to stick them on. One last piece of advice is that curly wand-ish piece. It's supposed to help you separate the lashes so that you can isolate one to stick each individual lash on, and if you do sit with their head in your lap, it's a lot easier. Okay, so hopefully you enjoy the video and it's easy for you to follow along and do them yourself. Thanks again for watching! Also, not to scare you by randomly speaking during this part, but sorry that you can't really see because she kind of fell asleep and then her head tilted one way. But I think she tilts back in a bit, and obviously I'll show you the end result, and I think you get the gist of it by this point.
Hi guys. Are you guys still there?
Yep.
I feel like I'm about to fall asleep.
Me too.
Did you find it? Okay, good.
So here, if you couldn't tell, I was done with gluing her lashes on, and now I'm brushing them out and blow drying them with the setting on cool. You want to dry the glue before your friend opens their eyes, because or else it'll probably irritate their eyes and like make it sting. So we want to completely dry the glue before we gently peel off the tape and they can open their eyes to their new lashes.
What is that?
Oh, I'm going to show your lash.
My wrist is too fucked up right now. Yeah, I sent Tan this photo my friend was trying to make. It's so burnt. Oh, dude, that looks good.
It looks a little burnt, but
I'm talking about my eyelashes.
You look crazy.
No, just getting it rolled like that is so hard.
As you can see, I'm now done with the whole process for creating a natural look. That was the before picture, and that's also the before picture. And I'll show you the after right after this. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more. I hope your lashes look great. Thank you.